Alright guys, this is the elevator at the Dublin Recreation Center in Dublin, Ohio. And guess what? Oh, yes. It's low pitched. My first low pitched. Let's get it too. Alright, here we go. Yo, that is epic. Here we are too. Let's ring the bell. Yo, going on one. Here we go. Let's get a cab view. Very nice cab. I'm gonna take this for another round trip. Here are one. Let's go back up to two. Now, listen to the motor. Hurry up. Here are two. Let's go down to one. Let's go down to one. Probably gonna go into nudge mode. Should go off in any second. There we go. Yo, 2,500-pound capacity. Can't believe I finally found my first low pitch Schindler elevator. I am so happy. Here we are at one. Let's ring the bell. Let's watch it close. And that's it.